Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have access, so act now. Sign in and confirm Gemini is enabled, then state the goal clearly so the model knows the endpoint. Provide constraints like 300 words or formal tone, and attach 1-3 example pairs to teach style. Once done, include essential context snippets and label them. Make sure to specify the response format and any forbidden topics. This prevents reruns and saves time. Start with a short prompt draft you can iterate. Now focus on structure. Use a system message for rules, a user message for the request, and assistant examples for behavior. You should split complex tasks into numbered steps so Gemini follows logic. Once responses arrive, compare minimal, detailed, and few-shot variants to judge fidelity and creativity. Make targeted edits to temperature, max tokens, and top P, lower temperature for precision, raise it for exploration. Iterate quickly. Keep changes small so you can track what improved the output. Complete the workflow by post-processing outputs. Normalize formats, validate facts, and remove sensitive data. Save the final prompt as a template and version it with timestamps and short comments so you can reproduce results. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by narrowing scope, adding explicit constraints, or giving counterexamples that show undesirable outputs. Make sure to test one change at a time. This isolates cause and effect. Finally, rerun a quick validation test and lock the prompt when it meets quality standards.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.